Hi students, good morning everybody. Find the cube roots of minus 216. Yesterday in the previous class we discussed finding cube root and what is cube root, what is cube. So today let us find the cube roots of negative numbers. Look at the first problem. How to find the cube root of minus 216. Okay. So by the way, what are the factors of 216? 2 ones, 2 8s, 2 5s, 2 4s, 2 2s, 2 7s, 3 3s, 3 9s, 3 3s. So triplet. When we find the cube root of a negative number, again we will get negative number, right? This minus can be brought outside. Remember this point. Whenever we find the cube root of negative integer, that minus can be brought outside, okay? Because cube root of negative number is always negative. Remember that point. So cube root of this 216 can be written as 2 cube into 3 cube, right? 2 2 2. So 2 cube, 3 cube. So minus 2 into 3 whole cube. Can we write like that? So minus cube root 6 cube. Okay? So I told you nth root of a power n. Nth root of a power n. This nth root and then gets cancelled. Then we will get a. So here we will get minus as it is 3 3 gets cancelled 6. So what is the cube root of minus 216? Is minus 6. Okay? That is the end of solution. That is the way we do remaining problems also. Okay? Look at second one. Second solution, cube root of minus 512. Okay? Cube root of minus 512 means minus can be brought outside. So cube root of 512. Cube root of negative integer is always negative, as I told you earlier. Okay? Now split 512. 2 2s, 4, 2 5s, 2 6, 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 8s are, 2 6s are, 2 4s are, 2 32s, 2 16s, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. Only prime numbers you must use, okay? 1, 2, 3. 1 triplet, 1, 2, 3. Triplet, 1, 2, 3. Triplet. So how do we write that 512 now? Can I write 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube? Can we write like that? Okay? This is one triplet, this is one triplet, this is one triplet. So minus cube root of this I can write 2 into 2 into 2 whole cube. Now this 3 and 3 gets cancelled, as I told you earlier. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 cube. So minus 8 will be the answer, because nth root of a power n will be a. So therefore cube root of minus 512 is minus 8. Is that clear? That is the way we do the solution. Third one, let us see. Third one, fraction. Cube root of minus 64 by 343. Immediately I will bring that minus outside. Okay. First, cube root of 64 by 343. Okay. As I told you earlier, cube root of negative integer is always negative. Okay. Now 64, how do we write? 2 3s, 2 2s, 2 16s, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. I want a triplet every time, remember that. Now 3 4 3. 7 4s are 28. 28, 6, 7 9s, 7 7s. So this is already directly triplet. So minus cube root of, how do we write this? 64, 2 cube into 2 cube. Okay, by this can be 7 cube minus cube root of, this can I write 2 into 2 upon 7 whole cube, because all are perfect cubes there. So I can write whole cube. So minus cube root of 2 2s are 4 by 7 cube. So that 3 3 gets cancelled, cube root and 3. So what is my answer here? 4 by 7. Since nth root of a power n will be a. Therefore, cube root of minus 64 upon 343 will be minus 4 by 7. That is the final answer. Okay? Look at that fourth solution. Fourth one. Fourth solution, cube root of minus 1331. So immediately first minus should be brought outside. 1331, because cube root of negative integer is always negative. So 1331, 11 will go, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos, 11 ones, 11 11s are 121. So directly it is perfect cube. So minus cube root of, this I can write 11 cube. Now cube root and cube gets cancelled, so answer is 11. So nth root of a power n will be a. So what is the cube root of minus 1331 minus 11 is the final answer. Okay. Fifth one. Fifth one, solution, cube root of minus 512 by 343. This first I will bring minus outside. Minus cube root of 512 by 343. Okay, because cube root of negative integer is always negative, that minus can be brought outside. So 512 we can split. How do we split? 2 2s, 2 5s, 2 6, 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 8s, 2 6, 2 4s, 2 3s, 2 2s, 2 16s, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Triplets, no? See, perfect cubes are. Now 343, how do we write? 7 4s are 28, 7 9s are. So 7 7s are. Okay? Here already we got here 343, right? So how do we write now? Cube root of 512 can be written as 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube, right? 3 triplets, 1, 2, 3 upon 7 cube minus cube root of this I can write 2 into 2 into 2 upon 7 whole cube, because all are perfect cubes. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, so we can write whole cube. Okay? Because nth root of a by nth root of a by nth root of b, we can write nth root of a by b. Okay? Whole we can write. So these 3 are perfect cubes, so whole cube we can write. Now this cube root and 3 gets cancelled. 2 2s are 4. Wait 1 minute, one more step. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 by 7 whole cube. This 3 gets cancelled, minus 8 by 7. Therefore, what is my answer here? Cube root of 512 upon 343 is equal to minus 8 by 7. That is the end of solution. Is that clear? How to find cube roots of negative numbers? Okay, perfect cubes. All must be perfect cubes. Remember that. Okay, we will see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.